Good evening, guys. So, I will brief out the budget 2022 of India. Introduction. The first budget was introduced in India on April 7, 1860 by James Wilson, East India Company. And Indian Independence India's first budget was presented on November 26, 1947 by the Finance Minister R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. So, let's understand why budget is important. The Union budget aids in controlling the economic fluctuations. As well, it ensures proper handling of inflation and deflation, thus bringing about economic stability. So, in budget 2022, what is cheaper and what is costlier means dearer. Camera lens for mobile phone, chargers of mobile, frozen mussels and squids, methyl alcohol, acetic acid, chemical needed for petrol products, steel scrap, clothes, gemstones and diamond. These are cheaper. Now costlier things are umbrella, imported umbrella, parts of electronic toys, limited jewelry, and you can say limited edition jewelry, smart meters, solar cells, solar modules, X-ray machines, single or multiple loudspeakers, headphones and earphones. So now key update for technology sector in budget 2022. 5G auction to be held in 2022 and 2023. E-passport with embedded chip, optical fiber connectivity, digital currency based on blockchain, tax on virtual digital asset, domestic manufacturing boost for technology. In Gandhinagar, Gujarat world-class fintech university and international arbitration cell will develop. It's free from domestic regulations totally. Key announcement in 2022 budget. No change in personal income tax rates, no change in personal income tax rates and slabs. Cryptocurrency tax will be 30%. Digital rupee to be issued by RBI in 2022-2023. First, 1% TDS on transfer of virtual assets above a threshold gifts to be taxed. 25,000 km of national highway to be built in 2022 and 2023. Cooperative surcharge to be reduced from 12% to 7%. Ease of Business 2.0, next phase of ease of living to be launched. 2.37 lakh crore worth of MSP direct payments to wheat and paddy farmers. 480 billion rupees set aside for affordable housing in 2022 and 2023. Public issue of LIC is expected shortly in 2022. Says Special Economic Zone Act to be replaced with new legislation. Aims to lower winding up of companies to 6 months from 2 years. Railways to develop infrastructure for small farmers. Fund with blended capital raised under co-investment model to finance agriculture startups. 400 energy efficient Vande Bharat trains to be manufactured over the next 3 years, and Vista Dome coaches also developed in next coming years. India budget to bring out battery swapping policy for electronic vehicles. Especially these facilities comfortable for scooties and bikes, especially electric scooties and bikes. In 1 year, under a PM Awas Yojana, houses are built near to 80 lakhs. So now we will see the tax slabs. 0 to 2.5 lakhs is tax rate is nil, 0. 2.5 to 5 lakhs is 5%. 5 lakhs to 7.5 lakhs, it's 10% in 2022 and 2023. In 2021 and 2021, this is 20%, so 10% reduced. 7.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs His tax rate is 15%, reduce 5%, previous tax rate is 20%. 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs, it's 20%. Previous tax rate is 30%. 12.5 to 15 lakhs rate is 25%. Previous rate is 30%. 15 lakh and above 30%. As previous, same. No change in that. In the budget 2022 and 23, rupees allotted to different sectors of India. For interest sector, 9,40,651 crore rupees. All are in crore rupees. For defense sector, 3,85,370 crore. Subsidies for petrol, fertilizer, etc. is equal to 3,17,866 crore. For pension, 2,07,132 crores. State transfer, 3,34,339 crore. Transportation, 3,51,851 crore. For farming, Krushi agriculture activity, 1,51,521 crore. Tax administration, 1,71,677 crore. So now for rural development and inter-home Gruha sector, 2,06,293 respectively crores. For education, 1,04,278 crores. Health, 86,606 crore. IT and telecom sector, 79,887 crore. Urban development, 76,549 crore. Social development, 51,780 crores. Union territories, 58,757 crore. Business and industry sector, 53,116 crore. For management and statistics department, 5,720 crores. For foreign department, it's important, 17,250 crore. Science sector, it's most important in near future, 30,570 crore. Finance sector, 21,354 crore. For energy department sector, especially known as Urja Vibhag, 49,220 crores. For east side and others, 28,800 crores and 1,13,301 crores respectively. So total spending on rupees allotted to different sectors and territories is 39,44,909 crore rupees. So it's a budget of 2022 and 2023. Thank you.